థ్యాంక్స్ ఆంటీ. వాసవి మాత గెటప్ ఆంటీ అది.
అవునా, అవును తెలుసు. చాలా బాగా రెడీ అయ్యావు.
థ్యాంక్స్.
హ్యాపీ ఈవినింగ్ మణి.
Happy evening, Lanya. Sorry.
హ్యాపీ ఈవినింగ్ సార్. హ్యాపీ ఈవినింగ్ సార్.
Happy evening. Sorry, friends. Yesterday there was some COVID meeting here. So, Pumanurlo. So, happy evening, ma'am. So, what we need to do and how we can do through volunteers, we had that meeting. So, unfortunately, they came. I thought I'll finish by 7 o'clock, but it got extended till 9:30. So, I forgot to off that Zoom also. It recorded after your meeting also. So later only I realized and off this one. So, Lanya, would you like to take or shall I?
Yeah, you take.
Okay, I'll start with the differences. Yeah, please go ahead. Participate. Participation is very important. Want everyone to take participate. Come on. Good. I see Chandana and Dhanulakshmi ma'am is trying. Lavanya, you too can try.
Yeah, I'm trying. Is not visible. Every day I'm trying.
No, you should
But
select
this
that
try-
pen. That pen you should be. You can see the pen, right?
I'm every day trying with my finger. That's why I'm not.
No. You need to pick the pen first.
Okay. Now.
Select a pen, which color or what is the thickness, size, and all, and then you can.
Okay.
Yes. Good.
Actually, I want to ask today. I thought that.
Okay. Good. So you learned something new today.
Yes.
Good. So this is the way how we can make people engaged and interactive, and also this is one of the exercise before we get into a meditation or a deep relaxation or reflection. So we need our mind to be relaxed and relaxed. So that is the reason why we choose this activity. And also this doesn't require any kind of language, right? It's just to observe. So improve our observation skills. So even in fact, you can do this kind of exercise also. You just observe the entire room and ask your family member, anyone to change something. You close the eyes and ask someone to change everything. And then you open the eyes and observe what has been changed. So these kind of things will make your brain so active. We can do this actually in the brain gym also. So we'll try. One day we'll try. Yeah.
Yes. Actually, I'm not able to attend brain gym.
Okay. See, due to network connectivity, even I was unable to join.
Yes,
Actually,
that's the problem. Because of those counseling classes, there is network issue.
for me, due to this rains, I couldn't.
Okay.
Yeah. Okay.
My daily data is not sufficient for that.
Okay. Fine. I think we are almost done with the changes. So let us start our day with the thanking exercise. So it's time for gratitude exercise. So take a deep breath, sit straight, ensure your backbone is straight. So take a deep breath, inhale and exhale. So straighten your hands, reverse, cross, connect, twist and down, twist and up. Bring it closer to your heart, below your chin. It's time for gratitude exercise. Close your eyes. Think of everything and everyone whom you work since the morning till the evening, since the sunrise till the sunset, since you woke up till now. Think of everything, think of everyone. We are going to thank everything and everyone who made us happy. When I say happy, ensure you have a smile on your face, a gentle smile on your face. Think of everything, think of everyone. Take a deep breath. Inhale and slowly exhale. And get relaxed. And on count of 1 to 12 and 12 to 1, inhale and exhale, abdomen breathing. On count start. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 12, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3. Next, change. Now slowly come to the Namaskara Mudra. Let's take our Namaskara Mudra in front of your head, forehead. Let's thank our Gurus first. Guru Brahma, Guru Vishnu, Guru Devo Maheshwara, Guru Sakshat Parabrahma, Tasmai Sri Gurave Namaha. Let's bring down your Namaskara Mudra in front of your abdomen. Let's thank our mother. Matru Devo Bhava. Let's take our Namaskara Mudra in front of our mouth. Let's thank our father. Pitru Devo Bhava. Let's take our Namaskara Mudra in front of our forehead and thank our Guru. Acharya Devo Bhava. Let's take our Namaskara Mudra in front of our heart and let's thank everyone else. Athidi Devo Bhava. Raitu Devo Bhava. Sangha Samskarto Devo Bhava. Let us thank our Mother Nature for providing us pure water, pure air, yummy and delicious fruits and vegetables, and beautiful flowers to survive in this world. Let us thank our Mother India for allowing us to stay in this precious land. Let us pray for the peace in this world. Asato ma sargamaya, tamaso ma jyotirgamaya, mrityorma amrutangamaya. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Once again, thank you all for joining today's 7 p.m. Club Reflection Club. And my dear friends, while doing this Namaskara Mudra, if you feel a vibrations in your hand, a vibrations at the edge of your fingers, which means you have a complete attention and your body is ready to reflect the energy from your body. So you are getting activated more and more. So while doing this exercise, please ensure you are in a Sukhasana and do it when your backbone is fully straight and with a complete awareness, complete focus and complete attention. So it's time for reflection meditation. So it's going to be a guided meditation. So I'm going to switch off the video. So please ensure you sit in a comfortable situation where you don't have any distractions. So here we go. Happy evening, friends. Today I am going to talk about you regarding the reflection. Reflection. It's very essential for every human being for the end of the day before getting into your bed. Reflection is nothing but the mirror. What you did for the day, what you achieved for the day, what you have accomplished for the day. So, always remember, my dear friends, reflection is very essential to recollect, revise, revisit what happened, what you learned, what you thought, what you did, what you felt, and what you achieved. That is what we are going to do here through a simple guided meditation and mindfulness exercise. I request you to sit in a comfortable position or lay down on a bed. Make sure you are in completely relaxed mode and comfortable situation. It is very, very essential for you to be in a calm position where you don't have any disturbances from any other persons or any other places. So make sure you are alone and you don't have any other distraction while doing this exercise. Remember, my dear friends, we are going to do this exercise for next 15 to 20 minutes. So make sure you are in a completely relaxed mode and you are in a comfortable position. Now, slowly close your eyes. You are focusing only on my voice. You are not getting anything else into your mind. You are listening to only my voice and focusing only on your breath. Inhale and exhale. You can feel the breath. Inhale and exhale. Feel it. Feel the flow of oxygen. Inhale, exhale. Now slowly inhale the flow of oxygen into your brain. Your brain is completely filled with oxygen. You are feeling the flow of oxygen in your brain. Now slowly exhale the flow of oxygen from your brain. Your brain is completely relaxed. Now slowly inhale the flow of oxygen into your eyes. Your eyes are completely filled with the flow of oxygen. You are feeling the flow of oxygen in your both eyes. Now slowly exhale the flow of oxygen from your eyes. Your eyes are completely relaxed. Now slowly inhale the flow of oxygen into your nose. Your nose is completely filled with the flow of oxygen. You are feeling the flow of oxygen in your nose. Now slowly exhale the flow of oxygen from your nose.
Your nose is completely relaxed now. Now slowly inhale the flow of oxygen into your both ears. Your ears are completely filled with the flow of oxygen. You are feeling the flow of oxygen in your both ears. Now slowly exhale the flow of oxygen from your ears. Now your ears are completely relaxed. Now slowly inhale the flow of oxygen into your mouth. Your mouth is completely filled with the flow of oxygen. You are feeling the flow of oxygen into your mouth. Now slowly exhale the flow of oxygen from your mouth. Your mouth is completely relaxed now. Now slowly inhale the flow of oxygen into your chin. Your chin is completely filled with the flow of oxygen. You are feeling the flow of oxygen in your chin. Now slowly exhale the flow of oxygen from your chin. Now your chin is completely relaxed. Now slowly inhale the flow of oxygen into your entire face. Your face is completely filled with the flow of oxygen. You are feeling the flow of oxygen in your face. Now slowly exhale the flow of oxygen from your face. Now your face is entirely relaxed. Now slowly inhale the flow of oxygen into your neck. Your neck is completely filled with the flow of oxygen. You are feeling the flow of oxygen into your neck. Now slowly exhale the flow of oxygen from your neck. Now your neck is completely relaxed. Now slowly inhale the flow of oxygen into your shoulders. Your shoulders are completely filled with the flow of oxygen. You are feeling the flow of oxygen into your shoulders. Now slowly exhale the flow of oxygen from your shoulders. Now your shoulders are completely relaxed. Now slowly inhale the flow of oxygen into your hands. Your hands are completely filled with the flow of oxygen. You are feeling the flow of oxygen into your hands. Now slowly exhale the flow of oxygen from your hands. Your hands are completely relaxed. Now slowly inhale the flow of oxygen into your fingers. Your fingers are completely filled with the flow of oxygen. You are feeling the flow of oxygen into your fingers. Now slowly exhale the flow of oxygen from your fingers. Your fingers are completely relaxed now. Now slowly inhale the flow of oxygen into your lungs. Your lungs are completely filled with the flow of oxygen. You are feeling the flow of oxygen into your lungs. Now slowly exhale the flow of oxygen from your lungs. Now your lungs are completely relaxed. Now slowly inhale the flow of oxygen into your heart. Your heart is completely filled with the flow of oxygen. You are feeling the flow of oxygen into your heart. Now slowly exhale the flow of oxygen from your heart. Now your heart is completely relaxed. Now slowly inhale the flow of oxygen into your abdomen. Your abdomen is completely filled with the flow of oxygen. You are feeling the flow of oxygen into your abdomen. Now slowly exhale the flow of oxygen from your abdomen. Now your abdomen is completely relaxed. Now slowly inhale the flow of oxygen into your backbone. Your backbone is completely filled with the flow of oxygen. You are feeling the flow of oxygen into your backbone. Now slowly exhale the flow of oxygen from your backbone. Now your backbone is completely relaxed. Now slowly inhale the flow of oxygen into your bottom. Your bottom is completely filled with the flow of oxygen. You are feeling the flow of oxygen into your bottom. Now slowly exhale the flow of oxygen from your bottom. Your bottom is completely relaxed. Now slowly inhale the flow of oxygen into your thighs. Your thighs are completely filled with the flow of oxygen. You are feeling the flow of oxygen into your thighs. Now slowly exhale the flow of oxygen from your thighs. Now your thighs are completely relaxed. Now slowly inhale the flow of oxygen into your legs. Your legs are completely filled with the flow of oxygen. You are feeling the flow of oxygen into your legs. Now slowly exhale the flow of oxygen from your legs. Your legs are completely relaxed. Now slowly inhale the flow of oxygen into your feet. Your feet is completely filled with the flow of oxygen. You are feeling the flow of oxygen in your feet. Now slowly exhale the flow of oxygen from your feet. Your feet is completely relaxed now. Now slowly inhale the flow of oxygen from the top of your brain till the bottom of your feet. Your entire body is completely filled with the flow of oxygen. You are feeling the flow of oxygen into your entire body from the top of the brain till the bottom of the feet. Now slowly exhale the flow of oxygen from your entire body. Your complete body is fully relaxed. You are fully relaxed. You are feeling as such you are floating in air. Your body is becoming so lightweight. You are feeling as such you are floating on the air, floating on the water, flying in the air. Now, visualize a powerful and beautiful wings came behind your hands. With those powerful and beautiful wings, you are flying high, high, high in the sky with the pride, with the accomplishment, with the beauty of the successful completion of this day. Yes, you have completed this day. You are flying high and high and high, where you can see your magical mirror, where you can reflect yourself, where you can reflect your beautiful and accomplished, prideful person in you. Now, look at the beautiful sunrise. Visualize the beautiful sunrise when you woke up. Visualize the first thing which you saw when you opened your eyes. Remember the first voice which you heard when you woke up. Visualize the first touch which you felt when you woke up. Visualize the faces of the people whom you saw in the morning. Visualize the happy and the beautiful faces of your family members, your roommates, whom you interacted in the morning. Visualize the yummy and delicious breakfast which you had this morning. Think of the person who prepared the delicious and the yummy breakfast who prepared. Thank the person who prepared. Thank them from the bottom of the heart. Thank them aloud. Thank those people. Think of the beautiful things which you did this morning. Think of the beautiful accomplishments which you did today. Think of your friends. Think of your colleagues whom you worked today. Think of your all action plans. Think of what you did till the lunch. Think of the yummy and delicious lunch which you had. Think of every sip you had. Think of the delicious taste. Think of that yummy food. Think of the person who served you. Think of the person who prepared that yummy and delicious food for you. Thank them from the bottom of the heart. Thank aloud. Thank them. Think of all the tasks which you accomplished today. Think of all the day's work, beautiful work which you did. Think of one thing which you learned today. Think of one thing which you tried something new today. Think of something which you tried but failed. Think of something which you tried and succeed. Think of something which made you so happy. Think of something which made you so sad. Think of something which made you proud. Think of something which made you accomplish something. Think of everything you did it. Think of everyone who are with you. Think of everything who helped you. Thank everything and everyone who made you happy today. Thank them from the bottom of the heart. Thank them aloud. Think of all your accomplishments. Feel proud of it. You are one of the best and the beautiful person in this world. You are the greatest person in this world. Yes, you accomplished this day. Think of everything what you did today. Think of everything what you achieved today. Thank for yourself. Love yourself. Convey the gratitude yourself. Think of something which you want to forgive. Think of something which you want to forget. Think of something which you want to erase from today. Don't worry about all those things which you want to forgive, all those things which you want to forget, all those things which you want to erase. Just visualize the magic pen in your hand. Yes, you got the magic pen. Write it on the air. The air is there. Write everything which you want to forget. Write everything which you want to forgive. Write everything which you want to erase. That Air is flowing away. It's floating like a cloud. It vanished. Yes. All those things you want to forgive, all those things you want to forget, all those things you want to erase, everything gone. Now your mind is completely filled with the positive vibes, positive feelings, positive thoughts, positive words, positive actions. Now you are a powerful person with an accomplished day. You have successfully completed this day. You are the most beautiful, the most important. You are the best and the greatest person in this world. You made it. You achieved it. Hooray! Thank yourself. Appreciate yourself. Now slowly come down to your place. Come down to your place. Come down to your place and come down. Take your hands, rub your palms, nicely generate the heat, feel the warmth. Make a cup shape using your palm, place it on your eyes, feel the warmth. With a high energy, take a long breath and hold for a second. And slowly release your breath and get relaxed. Release your palm. Start blinking your eyes and look at your palm with a beautiful smile on your face and relax.
How are you feeling? Relaxed?
Yes, ma'am.
Super. So who is going to say resilience mantra?
Chandana, are you ready?
Auntie?
Are you ready to say the mantra?
Yes, auntie.
Okay. Go ahead.
Okay, auntie. I will not give in to sadness.
Will not give
I
in to sadness.
will not give in to sadness. I will not let my thoughts control the way I feel.
I will not let my thoughts control the
I
way.
will not let my thoughts I will never ever give up. Control my never ever give up. I will stay positive and work on a solution. I will stay positive and work on a solution. My life is great with all the positive and negative things in it.
Negative things in it.
My life is great with all positive and negative things in it. I allow myself to be happy no matter what.
Matter what.
I allow myself to be happy no matter what. I am enough and I'm complete.
It's
And I am complete. Never complete. Hey, bye bye and goodbye. Ay, ಇದು ಗೊತ್ತಿದೆ. Slow fast fast. Bathroom.
So since we've been projected to the mobile screen for more than 20 minutes, so it is a 20-20 principle to relax our eyes, sit straight. So look at anything which is 20 feet or 20 meters away, not the screen again. So on count, blink your eyes. While blinking your eyes, tight closely and open widely. On count, start. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 12, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, next, change. That's it. So we have 3 minutes. Chandana, do you have any joke?
Yes, sir, I'm ready with it.
Yes, go ahead.
A father has 4 sons. First son does a degree in economics, and second son does MBA, third son PhD, and fourth son is a thief. So the father's neighbor asked that, why can't you throw your fourth son out of your house because he's a thief and he'll get a bad name for you and your family. Then the father answered that, no one is earning money. Only my fourth son is earning money, and the except 3 are unemployed. So why need to I throw him out of my house?
Good. That's good. That's fantastic, Chandana. So
Thank you,
good.
sir.
So
Sir,
It's a-
are we having time more?
now we have only 2 minutes.
Sanjana wanted to ask you, sir, from so many days she was planning to.
Okay.
Sir, can I ask the riddle?
Yeah, please go ahead.
What goes up but never comes down?
Racket.
Sir?
Racket.
No, sir. It can launch down again.
No, it's not coming down right.
Sir, it will launch into sea, no?
Hmm. No.
When it fails, it fell down. No, sir.
Hmm.
So rocket is not the answer.
Okay, what it is?
Sir, we're having 2 answers for this. If you want, you can answer 2 or answer any one.
You can say both answers.
Yes, sir. The answer is your age.
Superb.
And
good.
height also, sir.
And
Height
another one, your answer.
or age.
Another one?
Height, auntie.
Height.
One is age and one is
Height.
height.
Okay.
Super. Good one. Fantastic. So
Thank you, sir. Thank you, auntie.
that's great. So friends, please finish your soft dinner before 2 hours of the bed. So look at moonlight or stars or any natural things, even the trees. So in fact, you can touch the leaves if you have a trees in your home. So touch them, feel the expressions. As we all know, trees also have the life, right? Our pets, touch them, feel their expressions, emotions. So that makes you so, what is that, emotional and so strong actually. When you know the feelings and emotions of others, definitely will become more stronger and stronger. So that will be a good sign before getting into sleep. And listen to your favorite music, melody music. So listen to the routine of your family members. Observe